Bw'omuguzi.
Vyakigima omwanchi omuliyeli abwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV kitariki ennya ky'omutinyo gatano omwaka w'ekirububere 2024 ensane yemo yabona maragoba asinerobeire bwekirano kweneke binango koletranda amangana majya nabereka bwateka kura chingongo chensi inyechense asinsemo chichimitanda asinsemo ya Facebook na bokwenda butubwatia gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital abiga sensemeri ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website gwetera www.ndizitv.net iritere na Frida Kerubo nolyo kaneke na chipi channel yogira gwekera sole asinchira ya bene nere Petra Mokeira sinsemo che byarkelyo nigo tokubwatanere Lydia Mose chinga kitoroche abamenye kora sorgo ngorwa gusiba bere bakoboliwa kweneke bnanko babale maiso anene chinga kichiga embule nyinge egendete kweneke wana wiga sensemende nige gati abamenye kora se county ya Kisiba bere bawesoke bene abayigo kobolia ekyombekeligete tobo tukikwango ya obotuki aboyigo kwenekia ekikirerete nyagosira Francis Ogora wesiria obugima bwayo mwanchi muligerelia ayongati yali ngwaliganetie asomogorobolero toskatonyegera nanda segekeke kerebosyo elinde ngoma nyamange asenchera yobekirano mwanchi omuligerelia ngo kwaligani bene elinde tobeto busanga asobwamo wechakabono iga goika omwelio amayaye vire biga nigo tokwechaka kurase county ya Nyamira singo kumenyabuna chinga kechiga embure nyinge egendeta kwenikigwa meyorogongo rwabusi nigo abantu babire bagosemigwa kwenikibuna nko babale maiso elinde gwetanga kurwa ase emibasokano eyekorentwa nemiruko yoberega kwenikiayo no mobisabo bochanu kurwa asensemeli ya Masaba North Dennis Gekonge aseboigo aganiri abantu kwenike bunango tumika bali amache amaya ligwetanga kurwa ase okonyora amaroire ya mache boigo nigo ababolia gotatumika amaliobo batarakorerwa obulingolia asaba semya kwenike buna gwikirana bali ese chinyagitali chinga kibabere bakoigwa emebere yabo obobe
Samalia Danguru Dennis Gekonge tamangana public health ne yego dire na mangana yogo ogotanga maroire muna typhoid cholera amaroire muna malaria one dogo semia abantu baitenga kimuneye banyale ko babe gwetanga kurasa amaroire muna ayu especially amaroire muna cholera typhoid na malaria etoko semia abantu baitonga enga kimuneye embule gotwe nyinge amache na mange tobwate atereime ase atwetanaine pone twale go semia abantu baito banyale ko baba ko drain amache ayu elinde chumbu nji nyala ko bachigo puri diororo elinde chitoletero boruire bwa malaria alafu ne chinsana ne chinyinge chia mire tonyala ko batokora bichinsana chitwene tanaine asenge njoga buno chimbu chikwebisa kira torome elinde chitoboruiro bwa malaria so iga abantu baito etoko basabanga tobe vigilant egekogera bono igembura netwete amache na amanga tweta inaine ase chumbu chiko bachigo breed chitoretero boruiro muno bwango igantu anyara ko batoko go chineti cha malaria ase county ya Nyamira na Kisii. So abantu baite twari ko basemia nga morare ase chineti chirie elinde monyara ko bamugwetanga kurwa soboroirobo wa malaria ntoma etengo boroire bogo toletero botaka kere bugatulire so tigatonyare ko batogwetanga kurwa soboroirobo elinde na litora abe productive ntonyoro botaka elinde tomenye buya.
Egati yabamenyi kurase county ya Kisii ni goba bulire ebyombe bitenenete obotuki imense ya Kenya kwangoya obotuki elinde kumanya ekikerete omubasokano bwendege kwenekigwa ase county ya West Pokot oyo obete gukoirera oyo lenge omo chief of defense Francis Ogola nabandi kianda gusiria amagima abo bakoragwa no munyakirgo bw'ikiama gia Ford Kenya kurase county ya Kisii Charles Mugaka ni goba bulire serikali ko unengya enganeyo abo igokonyora obwene wenganeyo.
Hii ni serikali yetu, Kenya Kwanza government. Asikuye anaweka wazee katika mambo ya uchunguzi kwa aina yoyote. Atuhusise sisi vijana katika ile ufafanuzi ili tuende na sisi tuwasaidie kuangalia kwa kina, kwa sababu ukiangalia vile ndege ilivyoanguka na watu 9 kuuawa na mwingine kunusulika, inatakiwa mtu mwenye ni mchangamufu, mtu mwanaelewa, lakini akitawa wase wenye wako miaka 50, miaka 80, nadhani itachukua muda mrefu zaidi, na hii uchunguzi ifanyike haraka. Ndege zote za serikali za Kenya Forestry, Kenya Police sikuwe cold, siwekwe pale Kasarani, ndege zote siitwe, tukue na what we call the private social audit, tuite mechanic kutoka ngambo. Kitu ya kwanza tunataka kujua ndege iliuzwa na nani alisimamia kuiuza kwa taifa, ilitengenezwa lini na wapi. Hii ndege muda wake wa kuishi duniani ni gani? Hatuwezi kuwa na ndege iko na miaka 40 na ndio rais anatumia. Hiyo ni kuriski maisha ya rais. Mimi kitu ningeomba hao viongozi wetu wakuu, kwanza muache kusafiri na hizo ndege, sababu asijaangaliwa na what we call the private social audit. Mtu atakuja iangalie, kwa sababu ukiangalia hawa vijana wetu maybe wanaotengeneza wengine ni wajanja.
Mambo ya air crashes ama air crash ni jukumu ya serikali. Serikali iko na mainjinia, serikali iko na udhabiti mwingi, serikali iko na wanasayansi. In fact, it is the government that is sleeping on the job. Wanatakikana, rais anatakikana kuagiza zile huduma mubadala, kufanya auditing, kufanya uchunguzi, vile ndege zinatoka, vile zinaenda, so that tuweze kueliminate mambo ya fatal crash accidents.
Omonene bwa waziri na boigoro mu waziri wa mangana ye chense Chisco Musalia Mudavadi nigo aenekire amabanga mange a sorgongo rwa Afrika anene ase okoromesia okwana kurwa ase chense mo cha Copenhagen imea Denmark nigo abolia batani kurwa ase chense cha Nordic kwanike bunango sirabale orogongo rwa Afrika wetera kwena na obomanyi anene aso gutumeka chinchira chekerero elinde ko bakonya ase okubakimelia uchome.
I hope that all of us face up to this responsibility where we have solutions at hand to join forces to provide the world's biggest youth population in Africa with job opportunities, enabling them to create a better future for themselves and maybe one day end up as CEOs or foreign ministers in their own countries.
Now, I say that it's an opportunity because we are beginning to speak, to converge in our policies, in our approach. And many African countries are today conversing more on matters of integration, harmonizing financial policies, harmonizing economic policies. And indeed, where we have had what you might call truant approaches, the African Union itself is taking action where it suspends nations that are not conforming with proper democratic principles.
Serikali ya Kenya nigo yaenikire kuimukia igitambukiro na baigo kubuatirana ni sekta cha bantu nyene erinde kugareya SGR anene ase ogokinya obonchiria ase chinse cha East Africa. Okwana kurase county ya Mombasa nigo omwaziri w'obosombi Kipchumba Murkomen abiriga kwanike buna nigo ensemo yobwagachi asense ya Kenya anena sense meli ya Naivasha yaberike gotigalia keigo irinde bege kwera asibabikire emerobilio anene kubwatania orogongo rwa Naivasha waika asense ya Uganda, Rwanda, South Sudan amona DRC irinde gotinya obokoleri
Confirm if they are there.
Good morning, honorable ministers, ambassadors, and my colleagues. My name is...
The ultimate objective under the African Infrastructure Network is to make sure that we connect the East Coast, which is here in Mombasa, and the West Coast through Douala in Cameroon. And our desire is to make sure that the seamless connectivity happens from our sister countries all the way to DRC, and the meeting has been attended by the DRC representation virtually. And I believe that the dream of SGR is on. We really want to do it expeditiously. As Kenya, we want to leverage on the private sector now, and I know that the project that we have from Naivasha to Malaba, including the improvements around Kisumu Port, would cost the country about it is estimated under the feasibility study that it will cost $5.3 billion, which is quite a reasonable amount of.
Kubwatikana no mugiro bw'abanyagitari uyogendeta kwenekibwa asense ya Kenya nigo serikali egendeta kubeka emerobiri mikarano asibabiri bagutwara ebikaro na baigo kurigia chenchera cyoko igwana hagati ya serikali na baigo abanyagitari asigikaro ya bwangoiga ikyabeteke gokorekana nigo babiri bakomokia ensemo y'obuteneneri bw'abanyagitari ase gutabanchira gutwara okuigwana nabaigo kwirenera obukoreri bwabo bwabutambe ase omugiro berigo kwenikigwa ase amatuko 52 nigo babiri bakwenikia obukoreri kuba obube ase chintali anene chingaki abakenya babiri bagusiga obugima bwabo kurinda sensemo ya serikali nigo yaburire ekigambiro ochiakorwa ogochika ase barachikoba bakwegwa libaga yugo chaka kolika boya abanyagitari onye abanyagitari abaiga baroro mbago chikoba bakwiranira obokoreri bwabo.
The signing today is in compliance to the court order that was issued yesterday. The judge ordered that can you now sign the documents properly, because the early agreement we had initialized as a show of progress and a show of agreement of minds. So it's the same document that we have now fully signed so that it can be deposited in court, and the judge ordered that it be deposited by 9:30 a.m. on Monday.
At the last minute, the Doctors' Union came with other issues that were not discussed yesterday in Parliament. And even for the outstanding issues, we had agreed that they will be determined by the court.
To allow us to sort out this matter, next week, we shall ask the judge to allow us to intervene in all the measures that can be. One is he can go ahead and compel the doctors to report to work. He can allow the employers, the minister here, and the county government to recruit doctors to take charge as these people are picketing and demonstrating. These are the options that are there. We are going, as we are depositing this agreement, we are going to petition the court to allow us to take any necessary action to alleviate the problem that is obtaining, and at the same time to ensure that the lives and health and well-being of people of Kenya are safeguarded. And this will be done strictly in compliance with the labor laws of this country.
And it is coming out clearly, and I think I'll call out KMPDU and tell them
they seem to have a house that is divided. It is time they really pulled together and thought about the Kenyan people who are suffering.
They were asking to standardize consultants at Job Group Q. Some of the counties have actually already put consultants at Job Group R, which means if we have to harmonize, they will come down. So we have discussed all this. But I think it's not fair that the intransigence of one party to the negotiations and the internal politics holds Kenyans hostage. This we will not accept.
Umugavana wa kaunti ya Kilifi Gideon Mung'aro nigo aire serikali amatuko atano ochiafunganya emebere eyo yabali babete bakugoteniwa na mangana alingete shakaora asensemeyo asanikire buna nyambali gochikomokia egetambo kiriyo kwerusia korororo na chikoyenganya goika asine gitali nene ya Kenyatta okwana nabaliki bamangana niga abere gakoeneke buna nigo bokoreri ase chinyagitali bwabere bokwira na magega obwatikana no kugacha kumibere yo asanikire gutumika emibe nyinge eyo koeneke nga emibere yo nerendire burunge.
Na ujumbe kwa wewe Waziri Esha na wewe Mheshimiwa Maura, kwa sababu unaongelea serikali na hasa Waziri Kindiki. Nyinyi mnajua mwaka mmoja uliopita tumekuwa na janga hapa Shakahola, si ndio? Watu wamekufa wengi. Pale Malindi hospitali niko na kontena 2 ziko na maiti 429. Juzi walitangaza wakachukua watu 6. Wale mnaenda Malindi sasa, siku hizi ukifika pale mbele hospitali unapata kaharufu kwa mbali kule wodi zangu watu hasa. Nimetengeza vitanda mpya, nimetengeza wodi sasa inatengeza akina mama ya watoto inaendelea, harufu ni ya watu wa Shakahola. Wacha nikwambie Mheshimiwa Esha na mwambie Kindiki na natumai leo ataniona kwa TV kwa sababu nimemtafuta sijampata. Jumatatu wiki ijayo kama hamjachukua hiyo mili hapo, nitachukua hiyo mili na malori niivute niwaletee Nairobi mweke huko kwenu. Tunakubaliana? Haiwezekani. Tume kwa sababu mwaka mzima harufu iko pale. Ama msikia harufu Malindi? Ya kwanza, ya pili nimelipa bili ya stima na pesa wa watu wa Kilifi kuanzia mwaka jana mpaka saa hii nimetumia milioni 36 kulipa bili ya ile mili ya Shakahola. Nimetumia pesa kulipa vifaa vya watu walikuwa wanafanya kazi kule.
Mwanje mulirere yakorwa sorbotioruni na ikiro mweli obwa mangana magia asebire biga kolende toskato nyegera chikoraga chinsa isato ayona mange na nyara senchera yobekano na bakwenda kutupatia chinsa mochichi mitandao asensemo ya Facebook weterandizi TV News Digital abiga sensemo ya YouTube weterandizi TV News asensemo ya website wetera www.ndizitv.net magachi kamera soka nekina evichana bayigelio vila wekera sole asenchera ya bene nere Petra Mukira sensemo chebyorekele tobeto kubwatanere Lydia Mose na nchiri ya Frida Kerubo twara obuligelia korobia.